Some people believe that estate planning is only for the wealthy, but that just isn't the case. After years of experience, I've seen how just about everyone can benefit from having an estate plan, including young adults heading off to college or young families just starting out. In fact, we created estate planning documents for my own daughter before she went off to college. A very common belief among people is that if they don't have a lot of assets to protect or if they don't have any kids, they don't need to create an estate plan. What they don't realize is that a good estate plan can actually increase the value of the estate they hope to someday leave behind. For example, a good estate planning attorney can help you stretch retirement accounts or utilize insurance policies to leave a significant inheritance for your heirs, or even just to benefit charities and organizations that you really care about helping after you are gone. Another estate planning benefit that has nothing to do with money is privacy. For any adult that passes away without the right plans in place, their affairs will likely be subject to a very public court process known as probate. In probate, all of your most personal information is made a matter of public record for anyone to access at any time, including the very real possibility of having to file a list of the exact dollar amounts and accounts you are leaving behind to loved ones. But by having a trust in place, you can avoid this process altogether and keep your most private information under lock and key. And for those who have minor children, estate planning is critical to ensure that they have guardians named who can raise them if something happens to mom or dad. If you don't have the right documents, the court will determine what happens to your children based on the law and not on your wishes. Plus, your kids may wind up in the care of social services until all the legalities are sorted through and officially dealt with. Finally, there are certain legal documents that govern who can manage your medical or financial affairs and make decisions for you if you are incapacitated and unable to speak for yourself. Every adult needs to have such documentation in place regardless of their age or the size of their estate. Could you imagine having someone you don't like or trust deciding whether or not to pay your bills or to pull the plug in a medical crisis? With all that said, don't put off your estate planning any longer. Nearly everyone can benefit from working with an estate planning attorney. From professional retirement planning to naming guardians for kids to protecting your privacy and more, we're here to help if you have questions or you are ready to get started. Call our office at 972-905-4394.